Welcome to Ivan's Treasure. Today we are going to meet planets. I am Venus. I am the hottest planet in the solar system. Ouch, that's too hot. I am Earth. You call me home. I am also the only planet with liquid. I am Mars. I am really dusty and cold with a thin atmosphere. I am Jupiter. I am twice the size of other planets, so they call me giant. I'm Saturn. I'm surrounded by a series of icy rings. I'm Uranus. I rotate on a tilt so I look like I'm sideways. I'm Neptune. I'm the smallest gas giant and farthest from the sun. Did you know the order of the planets from closer to the sun outward is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and finally Neptune? We will also see how to save the planet. There are multiple options by which we can save our planet: by going green, by saying no to the plastic bags, using more of the solar power, by planting more trees around you, by saving water. Let's see some interesting facts. Did you know that there are more stars in the sky than there are grains of sand on the earth? Did you know that Earth has a very powerful magnetic field that protects us from the effect of solar wind? Did you know that Uranus was the first planet to be discovered by means of a telescope? Did you know that the planet Neptune has 14 moons? Wow, that's too many. Did you know that our sun is only one of more than 100 billion stars in the Milky Way? Did you know that Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets? 9 hours and 55 minutes. Did you know that the same side of the moon always faces Earth? Did you like our video? Please share and comment and let us know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel Ivan's Treasure.